Class 10 students, recently I finished your chapter on periodic tables and chemical bonding. Next chapter is acids, bases and salt. So today I am starting with acids, bases and salts. At first, definition of acid. You particularly know the names of acid. Now to define an acid, it may be defined as the acids are those compounds which contain hydrogen atom and gives hydrogen ion in aqueous solution. That means compound should contain hydrogen atom, releases hydrogen ion in aqueous solution. Further, they form salt with bases or alkali and can change litmus paper from blue to red. That means if blue litmus paper is dipped in an acid solution, it will be red. The color of the litmus paper will change to red. So by showing this property, you can sum up for definition of acid. So acids may be defined as those compounds containing hydrogen atom, releasing hydrogen ion in aqueous solution, form salt with base or alkali, or can change litmus paper from blue to red color. Now see the examples. Say the common example is HCl, hydrogen chloride. The ionization may be shown as this, H plus ion. This H plus ion is formed from HCl when HCl ionizes. In aqueous solution, if HCl gas is dipped in water or dissolved in water or water is added, that means aqueous solutions of HCl, you will get H3O plus ion plus Cl minus. This H3O plus ion means H plus ion plus H2O. This is called hydronium ion. This hydronium ion is nothing but protonated water. It is obtained from aqueous solutions of an acid. Now you see there are so many other examples like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, etc. You will see these compounds later. Now bases. The bases are the compounds which are metallic oxide or metallic hydroxide. Metallic oxide or metallic hydroxides are bases. They have the property that they in aqueous solution they form hydroxide ion and changes litmus paper from red to blue. That means opposite of acid, and form salt with acid. Form salt with acid. Example will be given as, say, sodium hydroxide. It ionizes to form Na plus or OH minus. If an base or alkali, say CaO plus HCl, you will get NaCl plus H2O, salt plus water. In case of CO plus HCl, you will get CaCl2, salt plus water. Now you often listen base and alkali. What are base and what are alkali? Bases are metallic oxides or hydroxides. But all the metallic oxides or hydroxides are not soluble in water. Those metallic oxides or hydroxides which are soluble in water, these are called alkali. So all bases are alkali, but all alkalis are not bases. Only those which are soluble in water are called alkali. Generally, all hydroxides soluble in water. So all hydroxides are alkali, and some metallic oxides are also alkali, which can be dissolved in water. Say calcium oxide dissolve in water and form calcium hydroxides. So you can say all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Now we are coming for salt. Definitions of salt. You heard the name